Howdy, welcome to the Workface. Now many of you, like me, might be working at home at the moment in a very productive and dynamic way. I know I am. Anyway, whilst working at home, pushing things to the limit as I always do, my headset, my standard issue headset, is just broken. So that needs a repair job. So Steve Dog now is going to show you how to make this as good as new, saving your company money, time, and reusing things, which is great for the environment. How are we going to do this? What are we going to need? First of all, we need a broken set of earphones, just like these. Second up, we need sticky tape. And third up, we need a pair of scissors. So what we're going to do first? Well, first up, I'm going to cut some sticky tape off the row. First bit might be less sticky if it's been sort of sitting around, so I'm going to cut that bit off. So I know we've got what I call sticky, which is always a good type of sticky. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off an amount which is going to roughly equate to the circumference of that bit there, which we call the gubbins. Okay, so first up, cut off that gubbins like that. So as you can see, I've cut it down there, and then because I've got the right size sticky tape, I'm going to cut it in half. So now I've got two bits of sticky tape to use on the gubbin. Set one to the side, somewhere where it won't stick. Just be careful there when using sticky tape. And then I'm going to grab this puppy here, as I like to call it, and I'm going to stick around the edge. There's a little nodule there to which I can fit to the gubbins. Let me just move that headset bit out of the way, that speakery thing there. You've got to be careful because the cable's going to break, else I know it is. So this is what I'm going to do, folks. I'm going to move that camera down so you can see exactly what's going on here, because this is a very, very, very important work face to so many of you people. So I'm going to sort of stick that around the edge there, like that. I'm sticking this around the edge of this thingy, as they like to call it in that. If you ring up IT, they'll just say it's a thingy. I regard it as a gubbins. I'm now going to paste the nodule, as they like to call it in IT. I refer to it as an ujima flip. And now I'm going to stick that around there. What you'll see is that I've missed totally there and failed miserably. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to stick it around, use the other bit, and put around this side first, stick it onto the headset first, and then use that to go around the, remember the phrase, folks? Yeah, the gubbins. Oops, around the gubbins. So I'm sticking from the nodule to the gubbins to hold the thingamy-bob in place. Just so you know. I want to try and get that in the middle there. So now we're getting something that looks great and feels great. Now this is, normally they would send this back to IT for them to do a similar job, but take it from Steve Dog, they wouldn't give you such a professional repair job. I'm not knocking IT at all, they do a great job for us all, but they wouldn't do anything quite as professionally and quite as satisfying. I know there are loads of IT departments out there watching this video right now thinking, we do exactly this, Steve Dog, so we know what you're on about, and I salute you in a talky, speaky kind of way. Not physically, because I'm dealing with sellotape, aren't I? So now this is starting to come together absolutely beautifully. In fact, I'm going to put a bit over the edge and through there as well to have that side on. It looks a bit wonky, I will admit. A bit more sellotape, Steve Dog. Keep going with sellotape, folks. Keep going with sellotape. More sellotape in there. As you can see, I've got a t-shirt that says off the wall, and that is what I regard this as being. It's off the wall headset repairs. So anyone who wants to sponsor me in the future, just make sure you refer to off the wall headset repairs, and that will be absolutely perfect. Thank you. Right, last bit, so it's now looking good on that side. It's looking good on that side. We're just going to stick that side down there, and it's kind of on. Now, it does look a bit untidy, I will admit. So what I'm going to do, I've got just a thing to repair that. Guess what it is? Yeah, sellotape. Right, more of this sticky black tape. It's going to go around the edge of this. This is the bit that's just going to add that level of professionalism to this. Otherwise, nominally less professional repair job. So now we're just going to stick that in there. That's secured, all secured. Now I've got that there we call the debris. That is the debris that goes over the top, and this will provide comfort to the ear whilst wearing. So you're trying to get the debris over the top. So now, all there. Let's move the camera back up and see how it fits. Right. You can wear baseball caps whilst working, or you can take them off and reveal slick self-cut hairdos. So, it feels great, it looks great. I might request a new one from IT anyway, don't tell anyone, but in the meantime I'm up and running with a professionally repaired headset, and it didn't take any time, did it? So folks, catch you on the headset repairing, always caring flip side.